Hi there, I got my new Milwaukee M12 Impact 3/8 Ratchet in today from ToolNut. Ordered it and it came here UPS SurePost, and I'm going to go ahead and open it and we can see what's inside the box. Alright. It was UPS SurePost. It came in and they delivered it, and USPS delivered it. They do the UPS SurePost from ToolNut. Let's see what we got going on here. This adhesive tape they put on there seems to be holding it pretty well. And here we go, we got the bubble wrap and we have the tool. The M12 3/8 Impact Ratchet. And let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Comes in this bag. Familiar Milwaukee type packaging with the cardboard inside the box. The literature. We'll go ahead and take care of that later on. Now we have the 3/8 Impact Ratchet. Seems pretty okay. Length of it without the battery is about 13 inches. Got some weight to it. I'm pretty sure it's because of the housing that they have going on here. Anyways, I just thought I'd share. Thank you very much.